Traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. So, very quick video. We just wanted to touch on, mainly focus on stock indices just quickly in today's video. Now, basically, what we're seeing at the moment is markets that have moved technically into corrections. So, a correction is seen as a pullback or a move down in a rally that's 10% or over, and it can also be accompanied by a break of the 200-day moving average. So I don't run a 200-day moving average, but we can see quite easily on the CFD indexes from measuring moves. So on MetaTrader 5, if you just hold and drag on the crosshair, you can get a measurement of the moves, and as you can see in the data that's been brought up here, the 11.52%, so the German 30 is definitely in correction territory technically, and this is the same on some of the US markets as well. So these are all weekly charts, so it's just a bit clearer. So we can see here at the moment we're over that 10% point, and if we measure back from, say, when the selling actually began, we can see that it's fair way into that 10, above that 10% point, so 13.57. This is sort of nearly across the board. So we're just looking at the JPN 2.5 before. That this week's down over 9%. So, but if we include last week, that's and the week before, that's definitely into that correct, the technical correction point. And this is the same as well for the ASX as well. So let's have a look at the ASX. We'll have a look, including that gap from that last point last week. We can see it was down very close to that 10% point. It's but currently today there's a little bit of buying. We're seeing 9.23%, but it's very close to a technical correction. But the US markets and European markets and some of the Japanese markets are well into those levels. So, and the Nasdaq, for instance, the Nasdaq is such a big move. So if we have a look quickly at from the high on the Nasdaq, from that opening point down to its current point, we can see 13.61. So we've pulled back a fair chunk of that rally that we saw through last year into this year, early this year. So definitely something to now really keep a good watch on. Now, some of the key points on the monthly. So we haven't really seen any sort of trend break yet on the monthly, but we've definitely seen fast trend break on the weekly. And the next pullback and how that acts to what happens after that pullback is going to be a very big clue in this or piece of this puzzle as to, are we seeing a dramatic change in market, or are we seeing just a very strong sell-off that we have seen previously in the past. So the next pullback is in this current short-term selling momentum is going to be quite a key. So definitely keep your eyes on that, and just keep a good watch on some of the price action just to see what happens next. So, but the main focus now is just on how much more selling we're going to see due to the coronavirus. That was the start of it. I don't know if it's exactly what's running all of this selling now. There has been a little bit of good news coming out about vaccines being developed in Israel and in Australia. So watch this space, and again, have a fantastic trading day, and until next week, good trading and bye for now.